universe is full of fascinating phenomena, and one of the most awe-inspiring is the collision of galaxies. It is difficult to imagine the sheer scale and power of these cosmic events, but they are happening all the time, all around us. In this article, we will explore the phenomenon of galaxy collisions, why they occur, what happens during a collision, and what the future may hold for the galaxies involved. What is a galaxy? Before we dive into the topic of galaxy collisions, let's take a moment to define what a galaxy is. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, and dust, held together by gravity. There are many different types of galaxies, but the most common are spiral galaxies, which have a distinctive pinwheel shape, and elliptical galaxies, which are more oval-shaped. Why do galaxies collide? Galaxies are not static objects. They are constantly moving and interacting with each other. The gravitational forces between galaxies can cause them to attract or repel each other, depending on the direction of the force. Sometimes, galaxies can come too close to each other and fall into each other's gravity wells. When this happens, they begin to orbit each other and eventually collide. What happens during a galaxy collision? When two galaxies collide, the stars in each galaxy continue to move in their existing orbits, but the gravitational forces of the other galaxy cause them to change direction. The gas and dust in the galaxies also interact, creating shock waves that can trigger the formation of new stars. Over time, the two galaxies merge into one larger galaxy. The process of a galaxy collision can take hundreds of millions of years to complete. During this time, the galaxies may undergo multiple collisions, as they continually interact with each other. As a result, the final shape of the merged galaxy can vary widely, depending on the specific interactions that occurred. What does the future hold? Galaxy collisions are happening all the time, but they are relatively rare events on a cosmic scale. However, scientists predict that our own Milky Way galaxy will collide with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. This event will be one of the most spectacular and awe-inspiring cosmic events in human history. During the collision, the stars in both galaxies will continue to move in their existing orbits, but the gravitational forces of the other galaxy will cause them to change direction. The gas and dust in the galaxies will also interact, triggering the formation of new stars. Over time, the two galaxies will merge into one larger galaxy. What will the new galaxy look like? It's difficult to predict, but scientists believe that it will be an elliptical galaxy, rather than a spiral galaxy like the Milky Way or Andromeda. The collision will also likely trigger a burst of star formation, as the gas and dust in the galaxies are compressed and heated by the shock waves. Conclusion: galaxy collisions are some of the most spectacular and awe-inspiring events in the universe. They are the result of the complex gravitational dance that galaxies perform as they move through space. While they may take hundreds of millions of years to play out, they are important events in the evolution of galaxies, triggering the formation of new stars and creating larger, more complex structures. And with the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda looming in the distant future, we can look forward to an incredible cosmic show.